Why is it so loud? I'll put this on WCWV.
Welcome. 929.
Eastern Daylight Time. Located near Sutton, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Flatwoods, Diana, Exchange, Peters, Hacker Valley, Cleveland, and Centralia. This includes Interstate 79 between mile marker 65 and 74.
1003.
I'm only going to count that as 2 unless the big KQV relays now.
As well, in 1950, the first Major League Baseball game in California, the San Francisco...
Not thick, huh?